One of the things that is really important for our health is that the food that we consume is broken down correctly. And the microbes that live inside us not only perform the function of breaking down foods that we're not able to break down, but they also perform a function of being an army that protects us against pathogens that might come in. And one of the things that is very exciting about this from a bioengineering perspective is the fact that we can actually modify our microbiota to keep us healthier. It's a little bit like our personalized pharmacy in our gut. So anything that our microbes produce makes it into our blood system the same way that a drug that we take by mouth does. And so wouldn't it be exciting if we can actually control these microbes to produce compounds and drugs that make us healthy? And one of the things that has happened with industrialization is that we have lost a lot of the microbes that are good for us, because nowadays we eat foods that are very highly processed. We take a lot of antibiotics. We've had so many changes in our lifestyle that have really changed the environment that we have inside us, and that doesn't support the normal microbiota that we should have. And so that's where bioengineering comes in. We're hoping to take some of the positives of the changes that we've made. For example, we suffer much less from infectious diseases, but at the same time that we can restore back some functionality that we've lost. One of the ideas that I'm really excited about is using bacteria within ourselves as both sensors and actuators. So one of the things that right now medicine doesn't have is really an ability to sense the environment and respond to it. So let's say that the type of drugs that we're taking, even though they may be released in different parts of our gut, they're actually not responding to the environment. They're passive agents. But instead, if we were to use bacteria as a way to deliver these drugs, we could actually encode them to detect the environment and release things when needed. So I think that this is going to be really where personalized medicine goes.